Guys, Valley's about to chop her hair off. It's so long. It's really long. We're about to cross the equator.
So excited.
Woo!
It's my first time.
Her first time.
I'm nervous.
I don't do this now. That's facts. Oh, it's gonna be a little bob. Are you gonna cut it? Can I cut it?
Do you think I'll be even? By the way, I've always wanted to do this. Look at how long my hands are. There we go. Oh, because then I'm gonna change my mind, girl.
She's terrified.
Go!
She's sick.
I wish you a wonderful evening. Captain Young.
Rise and shine, pollywogs! King Neptune is nearing the MV World Odyssey, the day you wish to cross the equator and earn your new titles as shellbacks. We have some rousing and unforgettable activities happening on the pool deck this morning. Put on your swimsuit and come to the pool area on deck 9 in the next 15 minutes. Bring your own towels for the ceremony to dry yourself. Towels in cabins are not to be taken out.
Good morning, guys. It's Neptune Day. We're so excited. We just finished getting ready. We're about to go up to the pool. I hear they make brunch for us, so I want to see what it is. But we're also late, so it might be done. I'm so excited. Valentina won't wake up.
We're currently already in the southern hemisphere, so we're just celebrating what we did last night. Because last night we actually crossed the equator and it was really freaking fun.
It's not working.
This is first Neptune Day. I'm so excited. Happy Neptune Day. Guys, we're currently doing the ceremony. Wait, there's the fish. Where's the fish? Oh, the fish. We're kissing the fish? Yes. We're kissing the fish. It's part of the tradition. We have to. Are you gonna shave it?
Oh, maybe. I don't know.
Is that the vlog? Yes, hi vlog! Happy Neptune Day! People are shaving heads.
I feel so bad. I feel so bad. Okay.
She's a little uneven.
Why is it like,
Bruh.
oh shit.
It's really fun in the back.
She's got a bob. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Oh, you look so good. You look so good. Wait, you look really cute. I love it. Because if I didn't do it, if I wouldn't do it now, I'm not gonna do it later tomorrow. I'm shaking right now. I believe I just did that. I can't believe. That's what I'm saying. That's what I told her today. Because I was like, I can picture you bald and you look good. Holy shit, I'm shaking right now like I'm mañana. Look how shiny it is, Mom.
We cleared out the deck for Neptune Day. It's Captain Young.
See, he really wanted to get the fuck out of it. He realized what happened. Because after the first picture, he was really trying to go.
They're like, no. Being on time. Being on time.
First time being what?
On time.
Oh yeah, that's true. And that's only because we said something. He didn't even know literally.
I was coming.
Open your mouth!
Open your mouth!
Valley's currently using my mousse to see if it'll make her hair more curly because she kind of has wavy hair. Now that she cut her hair, I feel like it'll work better, but I don't know. Holy cow!
It's curly.
Oh, it looks so cute.
Is it not?
They like completely changed.
Sorry guys, I love this.
Guys, she's been dying to have curly hair.
I was so close to getting a print, but I don't
wavy.
think I need one anymore.
Good morning, guys. Really going up to the deck, but I'm about to get Jay from her room. Also, I want to show you guys her door because it looks really cute. Look at how cute their door is. This is the view from our Airbnb in Portugal, and this is from the camel truck in Morocco that Kyle drew, and they're so freaking cute. Guys, the ship kids are going across. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, is he crying? Yeah. Cause we're living the sweet life. Oh well. It is windy up here. Obi's crossing the equator. Guys, apparently they're surprising us at 11:30. We don't know what the surprise is, but we're here to see.
I'm patiently waiting.
Patiently waiting. We're at the snack bar about to get food because the food at Berlin and Lido is not very good, so. We caved and got the grill. And she told the chef to chop. I was telling my chicken to hurry up, and then he was standing right there making the chicken, so it very much looked like I was telling him to hurry up. And that was not the case, and now I feel really bad. But I apologize. I don't know if you heard it or cared, but it looks good. And we got a strawberry banana smoothie. And we have the ketchup. Are you a junior also, or what grade are you in? Junior? Okay. You look so much smaller. In the nicest way possible, like you can. Guys, we're about to watch Little Red Riding Hood. The ship kids are putting it together. And guys, I came in here to fall asleep. And then she just casually has a guitar on her bed.
Because she has stuff to do.
That's gonna put me to sleep. When I'm tired, I'm tired. I have a paper I have to write. Let's do it at midnight. It's 3 to 4 pages. I haven't started. It's about a person I don't know.
She has to write, so I'm not gonna let her sleep.
What if I be goat? I'm the face, oh God, I'm my father.
Okay. It's 17:56. We have slept the entire day. This is what happened. Guys,
You can
she
do
got her hair.
Yeah, and I regret it.
It's gonna grow out really cute.
Look, it's not gonna grow out.
It's gonna grow out really cute.
This is not cute. I look like a mode.
Oh, guys, Daniel shaved up his
She
mustache.
looks like a baby.
What are you wearing?
What is that?
The camera.
Is that a vlog?
You trying to be on the YouTube?
Say some words for the YouTube. Say some words.
Guys, I cannot think. My ability to reflect is gone.
Oh.
I cannot thinking
Someone told me it
anymore.
took you 8 months to grow.
Yeah, like actually, I made better maths a year.
Dang. Wow.
But it will be back by 2 weeks.
Actually,
My nose itches.
Everybody plays a beautiful game while I'm in Brazil, 'cause it's all
let's go get food.
It's not bad. The pasta shit, but the salad is
Oh. Positive review. Period. Just that way.
the pasta's not good. The salad's not good, but the chicken's good.
Yeah, the chicken usually is really good. I didn't get it because it looked very bony, but
That is very funny.
yeah. He was just talking about you.
Like,
You sound like a butcher.
I did it!
We have a few distractions on the other side of the room.
I don't know why it's not working.
You need internet, babes.
out of the way. Get the over your best.
Guys, Ghana has inspired Jay.
Written in these walls are the stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open, but it stays right here empty for days. She told me in the morning she don't feel the same about us in her bones. Seems to me that when I die, these words will be written on my stone.
That's so sad.
That's so funny.
And I'll be gone, gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding on too tight, with nothing in between.
Guys, I like cranberries.
And watch TV.
He's too concentrated.
For you. Cheater, use a pillow. Hurts my head.
Asia, if you're watching this song is for you.
Yeah, okay, can we redo it?
Sure, what the
Yeah, do it. Yeah, please. I'll be there. You want me to put your feet up? Try and do it for like a long time.
I'm trying, Nuru.
Okay.
My baby's a sailboat captain at sea. We don't give a damn, we do as we please. My baby's a sailboat captain at sea. My gal is a good one, tails, but she's mine. Wish I was better looking, baby, don't mind. My gal is a good one, tails, but she's mine. All I ever wanted was to make you happy, give you the truth, anything to make you love me, yeah, and all that you do. My baby's a sailboat captain at sea. We don't give a damn, we do as we please. My baby's a sailboat captain at sea. My gal is a good one, tails, so she's mine. Wish I was better looking.